Hey, this is Dave Ing. So I am at Eichelberger's. You pull it for their all-you-can-carry event. They do this once in a while. I think maybe once a year. They're getting ready to clear the yard or clear their lot of cars so that they can put new cars out. And so they do an all-you-can-carry event for just some, it's actually mainly just to have fun, but also to make some money on the cars right before they crush them, getting so people can go in and get whatever parts that they want, and you have to carry it a certain distance, maybe it's 30 feet, with, just things that you source on the yard. I brought some IKEA bags to move around the yard. You can't bring your own bags or backpacks, but you have to pull some hijinks and set up your carry from things that are on the yard. So you can use seatbelt straps and hook things together. Well, I think there was a guy carrying an engine one year, and so it'll be a lot of fun. They'll have music and a food truck, and it's just I wanted to come to this because it's just mainly fun. I'll go to a second yard this afternoon. I probably won't stay the whole morning to be able to get footage of people doing the heavy carries of all the stuff, because people are just going to be here all day. I usually do lightweight items. That's the type of items that I sell on eBay, because you have to think about your shipping cost. You got to keep your shipping down. So I do small lightweight items. I don't think I'll have a problem with the carry. So anyway, I'll see if I can get some footage of being on the yard. It's a neat place. It gets a little overgrown in the summer, so I have to be careful of ticks and safety in the brush. Good. I'll have to see what I can get. I think there will be some good things to find. There's always hidden gems that will pop up for you when you're out on the treasure hunt. So here's my haul: 91 parts from all you can carry at Eichelberger's and 17 from my haul at Bogman's.